Why do armadillos love ants and roll like legends, covered in armor? Obsessed with ants, the armadillo doesn't just look like a medieval tank, it eats like one too. Termites, ants, insects hiding underground, that's a five-star buffet with a super sensitive snout and claws like tiny excavators. Armadillos go full bug hunting berserker, and when danger shows up, they don't fight. They roll into a perfect little ball. Like a Pokémon, but real. What the Wild. And hey, if you're always rolling away from responsibility, you might just be an armadillo. Nature's weirdest, wildest wonders, one clip at a time. Stay tuned for more What the Wild. Subscribe and stay wild.